Hey guys, okay, it's dry and I'm getting ready to color. I've decided what I'm going to do is, at my roots, like just the root, I'm going to, use my Arctic Fox Virgin Pink as usual, but I'm going to add the tiniest bit of the Joico Color Intensity Magenta to darken it up, give a bit of dimension. My battery is really close to dying, so if I cut off and join you when I have part of my head colored, that is why. So I'm just going to first have a drink. And then I'm going to mix up my root color. Yeah, what could go wrong? I'm gonna regret saying that. That's cute. Okay. My hair actually feels pretty good still. I've been brushing it as normal and nothing's like there's a couple random hairs here and there, but nothing crazy, nothing that's like incredibly concerning at least. So I'm starting on the most difficult side for me because I remember my struggles this afternoon. If you can believe it, I actually remember something. All right. Okay. Section that one more time, I think. And this part should be much easier to get the back because I've colored my hair a million times. So I'm kind of used to just doing the roots first. Because I usually when I just have like brown hair, I usually only color my roots for touch-ups. So you don't have to set up a crazy mirror situation again. I'll just do it by feel. All right. Putting in a bunch of the Arctic Fox first. I forgot how bright this is. I have a second bottle, so the fact that this sounds like it's almost empty isn't that scary. And I'm not going to put a ton of this in. I want it to be darker, but I don't want it to be like crazy so that I have to worry so much about fade out. So that's what I've got going on there. Maybe just a little squeeze more. All right. And mix. All right, now I gotta get my gloves on and get to it, I guess. Broke a fingernail this afternoon. It's killing me. Every time I do everything, it hurts. All right, here we go. No big deal. Do this. Like I said, my battery is gonna die. Anyways, so I've got my roots all done here and I've pulled a little bit through just to like tie it all in case it ends up being a very different color than the rest of my hair. I'm just taking myself a little drink break and then I can get back at it. So, yeah. Yellow is really not good for me at all. It looks so orangey yellow in the camera, but it's actually fairly light in person. Why doesn't it do that? I wonder why. Well, like Blair doesn't. I don't know.
Chill out, I'm eating fucking chips, man.
You can't use your eyes while you eat chips?
No. I'm focused. Do you want me to do a good job?
I just need you to look.
Miss some shit here. Miss some shit here.
For real?
Miss some shit here. That's what I see so far. Am I allowed to touch it?
Yeah, I mean, but your hand will be pink forever.
Yours will be pink forever.
No, I'm wearing gloves. They make a snappy noise. Like the doctor
I feel like doing something funky.
when he says bend over.
When you go to jail?
I don't know.
Doctors.
I don't know, doctors don't do that. They do that in all movies with guys.
Well, they do that when you want them to lick in your bumhole, but it's not like every time you go see a doctor, they're like, hey, bud, can I look there?
Okay guys, so I have everything applied. I'm going to go stick a plastic, well, I'm gonna try to clean this up a bit. Then I'm gonna go stick a plastic bag on my head and sit for probably an hour. I know the Arctic Fox instructions say to leave it on for half an hour, but that is not long enough. So yeah, I'm gonna sit for a good long while. I might go try to repair this fingernail. That really hurts. And I will be back once I have everything rinsed out. I hope there's enough difference between the root color. Yeah, whatever, we'll see how it goes. See you soon, guys. Hey guys, okay, so here I am next day. I was really tired last night. I didn't want to film after. Anyways, it's really pink again, as I expected. I'm not sure how much of a difference there's going to be in the root color and the ends. I'm gonna dry it and see what it looks like, and then probably put some makeup on this situation. So yeah, I'm gonna blow dry. Alright guys, that is it. There are definitely a few spots that I'm gonna hit again with the pink, but like I said, it was like midnight when I was finishing this up last night. I kind of just slapped it on. And then I had to sit for almost 2 hours and let it soak in. So that's the good thing about Arctic Fox. It doesn't damage your hair. It conditions really well, to be honest with you. So in a few days, when it's time for me to wash this, I'm going to get some more of the virgin pink on there and even it all up. But I really like it. I knew I would. I don't know if I'm going to stick with pink again after this. I might try periwinkle, lavender. I don't know, we'll see. Thank you guys for watching again. I hope somebody found a tip, at least at the very beginning, about getting color out or not. I don't know, I might make that 2 separate videos. I might make like removing fashion colors with baking soda video and then touching up my roots and redoing the pink, another one. I don't know. I never know what I'm doing. But I do know that I like hanging out with you guys. So let me know what you want to see color-wise next, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.